bulletin, some big breaking news which is coming in. A verdict from the Apex Court of India. A bench which is headed by CJI T.S. Thakur has directed to ban all liquor shops across the national as well as the state highways. Remember, there was earlier an order that it is going to be banned in all the national highways, and now it's going to be banned across the state highways as well. Let's go across to Abhimanyu Sharma for more details on this. Abhimanyu, now this is going to be something not very good for the New Year cheer, I believe.
Well, exactly, and earlier this was only applicable that accessibility and visibility of liquor events should not be there on national highways, and now the Supreme Court has ruled that they should not be visible from the state highways also, and those operating now will have to end their operations by the 1st of April 2017. Also, the Supreme Court has directed that the closure of these shops will have to be monitored by the Home Secretary of the relevant state. Also, states would be instructed that no new license would be granted from now onwards, and shops would not be allowed within 500 meters from the edge of the road. And this order comes primarily for the entire country, although the initial petition was filed by Punjab, Haryana, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. And it was initially, it was based on a petition filed by several NGOs who were working in the field of road safety. So certainly the order coming for the state highways, which does include that accessibility and visibility of liquor vents from the highways, that is something which requires to be restricted, and that is why ceiling of 500 meters has been imposed so that no vents are visible from the highways per se. And initially the NGOs had approached the Supreme Court seeking a ban since they wanted a drop in the total road rage and drunken driving incidents on the highways.
And that is the important bit, isn't it, Abhimanyu? The reason behind, the rationale behind the Supreme Court order, the fact that the NGOs have been claiming all along, Abhimanyu, that there has been an increasing amount of drunken driving incidents as well as that of deaths which are happening due to accidents.
Well, exactly, and the NGOs had contended earlier that although national highways did not have any liquor vents across their boundaries, yet state highways had so. Also, accessibility and visibility of the same was also circumspect. The NGOs had claimed that although people cannot be restricted from drinking, they should be restricted in some way or the other from drinking and coming out on the road and driving a vehicle. So certainly this order comes in light of the fact that visibility and accessibility of any liquor vent from the state highway and also the national highway, that is something which requires to be restricted in order to check the rise in drunken driving cases. And now with this order coming in, 500 meters is the limit outside which any liquor vent can operate, and between which no liquor vent should be there. So certainly there would be no visibility and accessibility per se of the liquor vent from the highway, and if somebody has to go to the vent, that person will have to take a long detour of at least 500 meters, that is at least half a kilometer, to reach the liquor vent. So that would certainly act as a deterrent, as the NGOs had claimed.
Well, absolutely. Thank you so much, Abhimanyu, for get us more reactions as well on this story. But for the time